Okay, your first problem says to evaluate the expression 2x plus 7, and it tells us that x equals 10. All that means is we're going to substitute 10 in for the x, and then we're basically going to figure out what it equals. So 2 times 10 is 20. 20 plus 7, 27. So evaluating 2x plus 7 when x equals 10, you should get 27. Next problem gives us a negative 2x. A negative 2 times x minus y in parentheses. And they want us to evaluate this when x is 1 and y equals 3. So, and that's a semicolon, not the best looking. All right, so we substitute the 1 in for the x, the 3 in for the y. 1 minus 3 gives us negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. So, when we go ahead and evaluate this expression with 1 and 3 substituted in for x and y, we get a solution or final answer of 4. All right, this one gives us negative 5m squared plus 6 divided by n. And it wants us to evaluate it where m equals 4 and n equals 2. So, negative 5m squared, so 4n, and that's squared, plus 6, and that whole thing divided by 2. So we need to get all this together first before we divide it by 2. Well, 4 squared gives us 16 times the negative 5 plus 6 divided by 2. So negative 5 times 16 gives us negative 80 plus 6 divided by 2. Negative 80 plus 6 is negative 74. Opposite signs subtract, keep the sign the one you have more of. So we have negative 74 divided by 2, and our final answer is negative 37. So when we evaluate this problem with 4 and 2 in for m and n, we get negative 37.